Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech A11 by Usha, and I'm Usha. In this podcast, I'll demonstrate how to make alexaechodot repeat what you say. You need to just say Alexa, Simon says, and then you need to tell the sentence whatever you want alexaechodot to repeat. Okay, so let's see. Alexa, repeat what I say.
If you want me to repeat something you said, say Simon says and then immediately say what you want me to repeat.
Okay. Alexa, Simon says, Hi, hello, namaste, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all from Alexa and Usha.
Hi, hello, namaste, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all from Alexa and Usha.
Alexa, Simon says, Wishing you all a very happy and colorful Holi.
Wishing you all a very happy and colorful Holi.
Alexa, Simon says, If this podcast was useful, do like, share this podcast and subscribe to this channel.
If this podcast was useful, do like, share this podcast and subscribe to this channel.
Alexa, Simon says, Thanks for listening, take care and have a great day.
Thanks for listening, take care and have a great day.